Hello, learners. Welcome to today's session on building a Python project. We will create a simple rock, paper, scissors game, and it's a great way to practice Python basics like loops, conditional, and using library like random library. Create a simple program where the user plays against the computer. In this project, what are we going to learn? Random library to generate random numbers using random generator library. Take input from user and display the results. There are two inbuilt function. Input function is to take input from the user, and print is to display the result. That's what we are going to use. And we are also going to learn about the control structure like if, else, and loops. And next, we want to understand the project well. In other words, what do we want to do in our program? How do we want to design it, right? So they're like, what kind of features it should have? What should be the like, in other words, like if you're designing a program, you want to decide what kind of capabilities you want to build uh, with the program, right? So it should allow users to choose rock, paper, or scissors, and randomly generate the computer choice using the random library. And then uh, a block of code is going to decide based on these three rules, on the game rules. So first rule is rock beats scissors. Second, scissors beat paper, and paper beats rock. Then finally, now we know what do we want to design. The next phase is how do we want to design the code to achieve whatever we're looking for in our program. So there are five main steps we do. So we will make the choices and set up the rules, and we will also, the next step is play. You choose and the computer chooses randomly. And third one is decide if it is same choice. For example, the user um, chooses scissor and computer also chooses scissor. In that case, it's tie. Otherwise, follow the rules to see who wins. And the fourth step is to repeat or quit. Both options should be open. If user wants to continue playing, then should be able to play. If wants to quit, should be able to quit. And last but not the least, goodbye message. So when the program ends, to code up what we discussed in algorithm. So first we have to import random because we want to randomly select the answer. The choices would be done by computer, right? So we create a method using the keyword def and give the function name as well. And then you create a list in which we are going to pass rock, paper, and scissors. And then you can welcome the player, right? So by using the print function. Now we are going to start the loop. Why do we want to start a loop? Because we want player to continue playing until unless player wants to quit, right? So that's why we want to use while true. And user choice, then take input from the user, input, and ask user to enter one of the choices from here. Enter rock, paper, or scissor, or quit to stop. And convert that into lowercase. Reason is that because we, whatever the choices we made, we put every choice in a lowercase, small letters, right? And then we have to make a decision if, because we also used quit as well. So if user choice is equal to quit, then simply print and say thank you for playing and break the program over there, because we don't want to continue because user wants to quit. Another choice, if user choice not in the choice, suppose whatever the option we gave and user enters something else, for example something random, let's say needle, right? In that case, invalid choice, please try again, and then continue. So then again same prompt comes, and user has to enter the correct option. Okay, so computer choice randomly, the moment it we get the user input, we use the random, this object, and make a choice randomly and using this list what we created earlier, right? So randomly computer chooses one option from the given list and then said computer chooses so and so choice, whatever randomly it comes showed up. So if user choice, now here we are going to decide like whether the user is going to win or computer is going to win or it is tie, right? So based on the choices. So till at the user made choice, computer made choice, now we have to evaluate. If user choice is equal to computer choice, it's a tie. If elif, if user choice is equal to rock and computer choice is equal to Caesar, and because Caesar can cut, yeah, so Caesar cannot cut the rock, right? So in that case, the user is going to win. And user choice Caesar and computer choice paper, then Caesar can easily cut the paper, right? And then user choice is paper and computer choice rock, then again user win. Else you lose. So then I am calling this function to run the program. Now let's run the program by using this, right? So now you can see, let me increase the window a bit. Now you can see we are looking for user input. So enter rock, paper, or Caesar. Let's say I put rock over here and then computer chooses paper. That's why I lost the game. Okay. So then I can put paper. This, it's a tie, right? And you can try to do paper again and see what is every time it is giving. Okay. So let's make different and then come back to, okay, it is tie again, paper, you lose. See, so it is randomly making because there are not so many choices. That's why we were getting again and again like multiple times because there are just three choices, right? So now we can simply quit and we can see, okay, thank you for playing.